Hi everyone, today we are going to see DTE based mini project demonstration. So project title is Foot Pressure Monitoring. So here we have secondary BM students with us. So these students going to demonstrate their project and also they are going to share the journey experience at different stages of DTE, right from empathy till prototype. Let's see the discussion right now.
We are here to present our mini project titled Foot Pressure Monitoring for Detecting Diabetic Disorder under the design thinking approach. So our project belongs to the domain biomedical engineering and IoT based health monitoring. So we began by studying all the difficulties faced by diabetic patients who suffer from complications like ulcers and neuropathy. Through interviews with diabetic patients and doctors, we came to know that many patients lose their sense in their foot and fail to notice because pressure building up while walking. This often leads to wounds, infections, and even amputations. Hence, we realized the need for a non-invasive and continuous and a low-cost monitoring system that can detect abnormal foot pressure and alert the patient in.
Yes, ma'am. After empathizing stage, we analyze our problem as diabetic patients are unaware of an uneven pressures on their foot due to their. So after empathize stage, we analyze our problems as diabetic patients are unaware of uneven pressures on their foot due to their loss of sense action. So there will be need for continuous monitoring to prevent their foot ulcers. So need for its solutions of a smart insole with the sensors and loss of sense action. So there will be need for its continuous monitoring to prevent their foot ulcers. So the different types of solutions will include that a smart insole with the pressures and a shoe integrated with the mobile apps and pressure sensitive mat for clinics. After evaluating, we choose a smart insole with a sensor, so which is used to monitoring a real times and alerts through a Bluetooth which connected to the mobile app.
So we are going to prevent the ulcer by using smart insoles. And as well as you are going to detect what is whether person is having diabetics or not, right? Yes. Then what is the next stage?
Hello everyone, this is our project called for sensitive resistor placed under heel toe and metatarsal area. A microcontroller such as Arduino control and process data. A Bluetooth module to transmit data wireless. A small rechargeable battery for power. When the users wear insole, the pressure sensor detects a foot pressure. A data is sent to the controller and the transmitter via Bluetooth to a mobile app, which display a pressure map or alert if the pressure executes a threshold. Thank you.
Yes, what you said is that when the patient stands here, their foot pressure is being calculated and then with help of microcontroller, you have kept some threshold point with comparison to that, if there is any alert, if there is any pressure is being built up, it will get transmitted, right? So in this way, I am going to detect whether the person is having diabetic or not, and also parallelly you are going to tell whether to prevent the patient from the ulcer. So this is the main motto of this project, right? Yes, good.
So hey everyone, so here's the final stage, which is the test stage, evaluation and feedback. So we tested our prototype nearly for 3 volunteers, 1 diabetic patient and the 2 healthy individuals. And we observed that the pressure distribution pattern was varying from diabetic to the healthy individuals, and the alerts were generated whenever the threshold level crosses. Users found the device lightweight and useful, but also they suggested better customizing and cushioning methods for comfort. So the outcome and the impact of a project helps in early detection of foot complications related to diabetics and allows continuous home monitoring systems and also promotes preventive health care for diabetic patients. The future enhancements we'd like to add is that add AI-based prediction models for risk classification and use flexible printed sensors for comfort and also enable cloud-based data for doctors' access.
So to summarize, our project follows the design thinking stages of empathy stage and prototype and testing. So which follows these steps to achieve the smart insole with the sensors and that help a diabetic patients to maintain the health, safety and efficacy.
Yes, as a conclusion to some of this all our discussion, as a biomedical engineer, not only biomedical engineer, if you take any engineers, Its matter is that not only to give the innovative solution, we have to also give the solution with emotional touch. So that's why we have implemented design thinking approach here. So we should not stop with this. We have to implement this design thinking whatever possibility we are facing in our daily lives. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.